We are at Kyoto Railway Museum.
This place tells the story of Japan's railways with real locomotives and interactive exhibits you can explore.
This is the first Shinkansen bullet train and it went 210 kilometers per hour. Now we're going into the driver's seat of the Shinkansen. We get to enter the lead car of the first Shinkansen. They try to make the front similar to an aircraft.
Right now, we're gonna go under the train.
We are at the Sky Terrace and it's actually really beautiful out here. Look at the clouds, and we just saw a Shinkansen pass by. There's so many trains on these tracks. Over here you can wear the uniform and drive a train. It does cost extra money though, and we're short on time, so we're not going to do it. Kamboguchi is the station closest to our Ryokan. It's where we got on and off yesterday, in the morning and at night. Lunchbox. And that is the Kyoto Railway Museum.
I really enjoyed all the interactive things that you can do here, like opening and closing the doors, and also going under the train. That was really cool.
This is my favorite train museum that I've ever been to because there's just so much to see and there's so many interactive exhibits. You can open and close the doors, you can ride the rail bike, you can watch the model trains. Oh, and you can also go underneath the train and look up. So yeah, this is the best train museum, with New York being a very close second. There's also so much that we didn't get to do. Like, you can ride a steam train every hour, and you can also drive the simulation. If you're in Kyoto, you should definitely check it out.